Absolutely the best mod yet. Welcome back to the channels, guys. Today we're going to be talking about the RGBW Halo kit that I got installed on my charger. So you can see, guys, it looked pretty good. It's basically a kit with just two halo rings on each headlight and then a halo ring on the outside of my fog lamps here. The halo rings, they're inside the lamp here. They were installed on my guy Omar, as you guys know. They have a variety of different colors you could change them to. There's literally a control where you could just, grab the, you got a color wheel and you can just change it to whatever color you want. I'll put a little square on it right here. The remote is in my phone, it's not in the car. So it's a Bluetooth app. It has a remote on each, or a signal box on each headlamp on the inside. It's all wired together. If you guys haven't seen the install video, I recommend you go check it out. I mean, I didn't do it. I had a guy do it for me, but it's a neat little video. But let's go ahead and let's go through all the different functions there is on the headlights. So you guys are trying to pull somebody over, get them with the red and blue lights here. I'm just playing around, guys. But as you can see, there's a lot of a variety of different options you guys could make on these on the Halo kit. And like I said, it's all on a remote. I'll kind of show you guys a little screen here of all the different options you can get, and I'll kind of show you some examples on the lights. You could even make your own custom ones, and you can even have your microphone on your phone and play music, and it'll light to the music, and you'll use all the available colors, and it just goes with the music, which is pretty awesome. If you haven't checked out my channel, go ahead and check it out, guys. I got a lot of stuff on there. You subscribe to the page, you know what I mean? We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm starting to get a little bit closer to monetization. And like, if you guys watch my channel, I have mentioned it. Once I do get monetized, guys, that's when I'm gonna start working under the hood, guys, and start putting some more power down. But until then, I'm not really gonna be adding any modifications under the hood. But once I do, the first thing is going to be a cam. I don't know what kind yet, because I don't know if I'm going to try to get some forced air eventually or not. It's just, I don't really know what the goals are for the car yet. But please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Watch all my videos. I need to get that watch time up too. But anyways, guys, let me go through all the different lighting options for you, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. All right, guys, so I have the microphone on in the car right now. So as you can see, it's going with the noise levels that's coming out of my mouth, obviously. But yeah, you go ahead and check that out. I'll sing a song. How about a song? ABC. I always sing these to my little baby. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I love my halos. You should get some too. How was that? Not too good, huh? Anyways, guys, this is a pretty cool option. If you're playing music in your car and you have your phone in there, it'll just light up to the music, and it's pretty awesome. This one's called Red Strobe Flash. Pretty cool. You guys don't want to be doing this, at night on the road. I usually do this maybe when I'm pulling up, at a parking lot or something, or at the parking lot at work, or just at home, or just show it off to your friends. That's the kind of stuff you want to use it for. If you do it on the road, you're most likely to get pulled over. On the road, I usually just have the white halos on. And then here's a green strobe flash. I mean, you can do any color on the strobe flash. It doesn't matter. You could make your own custom flashes on the app. Here I gotta just, it's jumping through a seven color jump on here, as you can see. It's pretty awesome, guys. I would say this is probably the best mod I've had up to this point. This one grabs the most attention, especially with the kids. You know what I mean? Sometimes I pick up my kids from school. I got the red lights on, or blue, or whatever color, and they're just looking. Even the white ones, they're just like, wow, you know what I mean? Like, oh, this guy has different colored lights. The heck, and then obviously the car is nice itself already. But I really think if you guys are interested in getting one of these kits, you should definitely do it. I think the kit just for the headlights alone is around $200. Once you add the fog lights too, is another $300. I paid $650 for everything, for the lights, the install, everything. But if you guys do it yourselves, you could do it, I think, under $300, I believe. I'm not too sure, but that would be the price if you did it yourself. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I got some more plans for the car still. Like I said, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, get involved. Don't be shy. Let me know what you guys think about the Halos. If you're looking to get some, like I said, 100% recommend it. They're amazing. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you have a good rest of your week. I'm out, guys. See you later.